Hi, I'm Nick from Green Acres Folsom, and today we're going to be talking about how you can water your potted plants using a drip system and leave that watering can behind. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is find out where our water is coming from. Here it's coming from a hose spigot, and connected to that is the brains of the operation. This is our Bluetooth water timer. And with this, you can actually customize how long you want to water for, how many days of the week, and you can really dial in exactly those plant needs. The other great thing is that you can control it from your phone. So you don't even have to walk out into the garden. You could be sitting inside and change your schedule. After that, we have a Y filter. And this is great because it stops any sediment from getting into your system and blocking up those emitters. You can simply clean it out when it gets too dirty, and you're good to go. These do come in a few different models, so if you're connecting to a hose or a pipe, we have what you'll need to make it work, and some even regulate the pressure so that it's all operating in the correct range as the emitters are designed for. Now, to get the water to our potted plant, we're going to use a 0.7 outer diameter poly tube, and that's going to be our main line. This can connect to the Y filter with a hose to 0.7 coupler. We're going to run this tubing close enough to our pot, and for that last step of the journey, we're going to connect a 1/4 inch tube and get that right up to the plant. Now, the last step is to take an emitter and water the soil. In this case, we're going to use a 180 5-stream spike. This does a half circle, and it can connect right there into the 1/4 inch line, and this is actually adjustable as well, so we can decide how much or how little water we want to give that plant. And being a half circle, it's perfect to place right on the edge of the pot so that we can water right into the soil, right where we want that water. So remember, watering your potted plants is much easier when you're using a Bluetooth timer and an adjustable emitter. You'll really be able to dial in exactly how much water you want to give to that plant. And this is just one potted plant. You'll be able to connect all of your potted plants to one system and take all of that pressure off of you having to walk around and hand water everything. So come on down and we'll take a look at what your needs are and how we can set up a drip system that works for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the nursery.